Hello everyone, welcome to Club Wealth University. In this video, I am going to give you a little intro. I'm going to show you how to log in or sign up first and then log in. And then I'll show you around the dashboard and show you how to use Club Wealth U for a variety of different things. It's a pretty awesome platform that we've created in-house here at Club Wealth. And so, yeah, if you're already signed up and logged in, you can skip this first part. I will put a time code down at the bottom. If you've never signed in before, just know that you need a Zoom account and a Facebook account as well. A lot of people also think they have a Zoom account because they use Zoom a lot. But you can actually use Zoom and not have an account. So just make sure you do have a Zoom account and sign up for one if you don't, and log in first. So I'm going to click sign up or log in with Facebook. Log into Facebook. There we go. And I'm going to enter my Zoom account. And we are in. All right, so here we are logged in to Club Wealth University. This is the dashboard right here. You can scroll down and there's a whole lot more. But let me just walk you through the dashboard real quick and all the features that we have on it. First of all, our help desk is down here at the bottom right. We have a chat bot. You can ask it some questions, but I really recommend just hopping into the help desk right here. This will open a Zoom meeting that will connect you with someone at Club Wealth HQ to answer any question you have. It brings you right into the Zoom call, and we have this open live every weekday from about 8 to 5. So if you have any question at all about anything, just hop on there and we'll help you out. So I'm going to exit out of that. And yeah, here we are. So my stuff, whenever you purchase a course or purchase an event, if you're looking for something, anything that's yours, you can hop in here and it'll have everything listed. Okay, I have an all access pass, so I have basically everything. This is Listing Agent Bootcamp 2020 replay. I'll show you that in a bit. There's a course. These are some of our workshops. Yeah. So back to the dashboard. Like I said, this is the replay for an event. And this is an event we have coming up. But let's drop down here. This is This Week in Club Wealth. These are all the things we have going on. It looks like we had a Club Wealth daily huddle that was going on earlier that has ended. If you have access to that, you just click on this and it'll bring you right into the Zoom meeting. Coaches call, group coaching. If you have access to those things, you can hop right in. If you're tier 1, you can hop in the mastermind Zoom meeting by just clicking right there. Pretty awesome. For whatever you have access to, these will be blue, these tiles, and if you don't have access, it'll be a black and white image. I have access to everything, that's why it's all blue. And here's what's happening next week. Same deal, just shows you what's coming up. Here's our events. This is a survey for one of our events. And then we have Business Strategy Mastermind coming up in the fall here at the time of this recording. So let's just hop in there. You can buy your ticket right here inside of that tile. Be careful, because right now when you click on this, it will charge your card immediately. In the future, we'll probably have a shopping cart function, but just be very sure if you want to buy your VIP ticket. So let's go back to the dashboard. Here are our workshops. We have this Sales and Marketing Done With You workshop coming up early September. If we click on that, boom, shows you what it's all about. Workshop with Isaiah Colton. And these workshops are in person here at Club Wealth HQ in Seattle. They're pretty awesome. They're intensive workshops, usually 2 days. You can purchase now right here. There's limited space in these. Keep that in mind. We also have done them online in the past and probably will in the future if we need to, depending on COVID and everything. And here's our courses. We've got some courses coming. These are still being built out. These two are close to being done. And the admin one is coming fairly soon. So these courses are pretty intense. We have different sections, and within those sections we have modules, and each module has a video of, say in the REO and short sale, it's all Michael giving you advice and tips and homework, and each module has videos along with a written portion, and there's homework and everything. Really great. Really excited to roll those out. Let me just show you next. We held Marketing and Technology Summit online this past spring. And so this is the replay. You can still purchase it. I have access. I'll show you what it looks like when you do purchase it. So we recorded all the sessions, all the main stage and breakout sessions. The virtual networking hallway with the vendors is not available, not those recordings. But it's pretty awesome to
where there's chaos, there's
right
opportunity. Right? That's exactly right. And so there's opportunities to play.
There's Jesse and Michael. This is the main stage session. So yeah, so you got all these recordings available when you buy the replay.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
We also have BSM from last year available as well, and LABC. So pretty great. And when we hold events live, this is the layout as well, except it won't say recording available. It will say live. Say if Michael's live, if it's 7 o'clock, 8:05 a.m., and you just click on that, and it'll bring you right into the Zoom meeting, which has everyone in it, with main stage going on. And so, yeah, that's Club Wealth University in a nutshell. Again, if you have any questions at all, slide on in to our help desk, and we will help you out. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.